Welcome back to another video, and if you into Huck's World, we got Lookie back in the building doing his thing with another bag creation. And the name of the watch face is called Lookie 22 Pro. I thought Lookie did an awesome job on this watch face, especially given the fact that you're going to get all your information at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same design, same info, which is cool at a glance. And when the watch face is on, you are going to be greeted with an analog watch face look. You are going to get a dial over here that's going to give you your date and your days of the week. Over here you will get your step status info all in one place. Your steps, miles walked or ran, calories burned, floors climbed. Your heart rate information is going to be in that dial right there. You get a smooth second hand, don't forget about that, that's going around the bezel of the watch. And you're going to get your battery info. You know I hang out with low cell all the time. Now with the moon phase, if I single tap on it, I can customize a shortcut. If I tap on it right, I can customize a shortcut of my liking. You got one there, and you tap on the 6, you'll also get another one there. So you can set 2 shortcuts, which I thought was super awesome. The watch face is interactive, so if I tap here, I can get my step status info. Here, I can get my calendar, and down at the bottom, I can get my heart rate information as well. Now, you're also going to be able to make a phone call, get your text messages, your weather, your music as well, which I thought was pretty cool. And if you really need your battery info, tap right here, and it's going to bring up your battery info as well. We're not done yet. Lookie has packed a heavy punch in this watch face, right? So if I double tap on the name, I can customize the color theme of my step status info with no problem. Choose my favorite color, color coordinated with whatever I may have on for the day, which is cool. Also, if I tap dead center, I can change the theme of that dial as well, where my date is. Lookie did a good job with this one. I'm going to give Lookie 2 thumbs up for this watch face. I thought he did a great job. Question is, at the end of the day, people, what did you think? Alright, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you all hit me in the comment section down below, because I would like to know what you thought on this watch face. And if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.